Brainiacs, ever feel like gulping down a fire hose when you try learning something new? You open a book, your brain yells too much, too fast, and then, poof, it's all gone. Grab a snack and chill. Today we're revealing 8 proven tricks to learn faster than anyone else. Spoiler alert, one involves literally snoozing your way to smarts. We begin with tip number 1, chunking, the lazy genius hack that turns "I can't do this" into "I got this." Let's dive in. Picture a massive, cheesy pizza. Do you try to eat it whole? Of course not. You cut it into slices. That's chunking. Your brain treats info like pizza. Throw an entire chapter at it and it panics, like a toddler in calculus class. But hand it bite-sized pieces, and it goes, "Oh, I got this." Pass the garlic dip. How to chunk like a pro. 1. Break big goals into tiny missions. Learning Spanish? Master 5 new verbs each day, not 500. 2. Follow the 25-minute rule. Use Pomodoro. Study for 25 minutes, then reward yourself with a quick dance break. Pomodoro means stop before meltdown. 3. Group-related facts. Studying World War II, split into causes, battles, and aftermath. Suddenly it's 3 mini-stories, not one giant headache. Science says chunking lifts memory by 50%, so yes, slice that info pizza to make it stick. Alright, brain chefs, we've chopped our info pizza, but if you leave those slices cold, they get stale. Enter tip number 2, spaced repetition, the trick to keep your brain's pizza fresh, crispy, and utterly delicious forever. Buckle up for a time travel hack. Imagine you learn something today and feel brilliant. Tomorrow, poof! You're Googling what's the capital of France again. Your brain dumps 70% of new facts within 24 hours. That's Ebbinghouse's forgetting curve from 1885. Worse than forgetting your best friend's birthday. Why? Your brain thinks, is this really important? Delete, delete. Spaced repetition is your keep this button. It's like planting seeds. Learn a fact, water it soon after, then again later, and boom, that fact takes root. Here's the drill. Day 1, learn hola means hello in Spanish. Day 2, review it. Brain says, okay. Day 7, test yourself. Brain, fine, I'll keep it. Day 30, hola is now locked in place. Pro tip, use apps like Anki or Quizlet. They nag you just enough to keep your brain's garden watered. Your cheat sheet. 1. 24/7/30 rule. Review after 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. 2. Sticky note army. Slap vocab on your mirror, fridge, or your cat. Yes, cats judge grammar. 3. Mimify. Turn facts into jokes. Mitochondria equals cell powerhouse becomes mitochondria equals TikTok of the cell. Fun fact, goldfish outfocuses humans. Beat them by spacing your reviews. But first, smash that like button if you're ready to time travel to A+ territory. Subscribe to keep one step ahead of both goldfish and overachievers. Comment below, what's the first thing you'll save from the forgetting curve? Vocab? Dates? Your Wi-Fi password? Stay spaced, stay smart, and remember, your brain's a garden, don't let it turn to dessert. Last time, we rescued your memory from the forgetting curve. Now, what if the fastest way to learn isn't spending hours studying? It's teaching your dog calculus. Welcome to tip number 3, the Feynman technique, where you simplify so much that even a toddler would dub you Professor Snacks. Let's get ridiculously clear. Photosynthesis is just a fancy name for how plant cells grab sunlight and turn it into energy, kind of like solar panels for leaves. It's time for tip number 3, the Feynman technique, where you explain ideas as if teaching a 5-year-old. If they get it, you get it. This hack is fun and fast. Watch your confidence skyrocket. Science slap. Nobel winner Richard Feynman said, if you can't simplify it, you don't understand it. Toddlers don't care about big words. They want fun, simple explanations. Here's the deal. Teaching highlights gaps in your knowledge. Try telling your cat about gravity and you'll find out you don't fully know it either. Then you go back and learn it the right way. Example, jargon mode. Photosynthesis converts solar energy into chemical energy. Feynman mode. Plants eat sunlight, give off oxygen, and make food. Easy peasy. See? Even your cat's like, finally, someone speaks my language. Boom! You've unlocked 8 science fact hacks to learn faster than a squirrel on espresso. Chunking. Slice info into pizza bites. Spaced repetition. Time travel to save memories. Feynman technique. Teach your dog quantum physics. Sleep. Glue facts together with ZZZs. Mind mapping. Doodle like Picasso. Interleaving. Mix topics like a DJ. Pomodoro. Work like a gladiator. Rest like a sloth. Active recall. Turn studying into a game show. Learning smart beats working hard. Now go crush that exam, hobby, or skill like the unstoppable genius you are. Smash that like button if your brain feels supercharged. Subscribe, because average is boring, and you're here to be legendary. Comment, which hack blew your mind? Team Tomato or Team Nap? Let's build the ultimate nerd army. Tip number 8, active recall. Highlighting is like window shopping info. Looks productive but doesn't stick. Active recall is your brain's gym. test yourself. Don't just review. Passive, reread. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. Active, close the book and ask, what does mitochondria do? Studies say active recall beats passive review by up to 70%. Every mental effort cements stronger memory neural highways. Playbook, savage flashcards, question on one side, answer hidden, no peeking. Teach the wall, explain concepts out loud. If your wall looks bored, simplify more. Past papers, simulate exam conditions, sweat leads to gains. Even goldfish remember better with active recall. Don't let a fish school you. Tip number 7, Pomodoro technique. For hours straight, your brain begs for mercy. And cat videos. Enter Pomodoro, 25 minutes sprints plus 5-minute breaks, and a longer rest after 4 rounds. Work 25 minutes, then break 5 minutes, dance, snack, stretch. After 4 cycles, take a 30 minutes recharge. Studies show these bursts bump productivity by 40%. How to master it? Set a 25-minute timer, no cheating. Focus like a laser, pretend your textbook is cliffhanger drama. Break like a boss, air guitar, power nap, or snack attack. After 4 rounds, treat yourself, binge a show or eat real tomatoes. Bonus, shout Mamma Mia when the timer dings for extra flair. Tip number 6, interleaving. Studying one subject for hours, that's like eating pizza morning, noon, and night. Eventually you get sick of it. Your brain is a hyperactive squirrel, not a marathon runner. Interleaving means mixing topics so your mind stays sharp. Block practice, boring 20 algebra problems in a row. Interleaving, brilliant 2 algebra, 1 history, 3 chemistry. Repeat. Chaos equals stronger connections. Researchers show interleaving boosts retention by 25%. Quick hacks, timer roulette, 20-minute math thing. Switch to vocab, theme mashups, learn the French Revolution, then bake croissants. Butter equals science. Quiz, random questions, 7 by 8. Who invented the phone? Can penguins fly? Embrace that weight. What? Feeling. It means your brain's growing. Ready to turn notes into a masterpiece? Grab markers. 1. Draw a big central idea. Think I'm the hero. 2. Add branches with keywords, not sentences. Volcano lava, ash, Pompeii's bad day. 3. Go wild with colors and icons. Frowny face for taxes, taco for economics. 4. Link random ideas. Connect Shakespeare to TikTok drama because why not? Fun fact, doodling during study boosts recall by 29%. Seriously, try it. Bonus pro tip, use apps like MindMeister or just a giant poster board. If your dog tilts its head, you're on the right track. Trust yourself. The usual plan, step 1, intro. Step 2, body. Step 3, conclusion, is a snooze. Your brain isn't a spreadsheet. It thinks in color, connections, and what if tacos are part of the water cycle? Mind maps work because they match your brain's style. Messy, creative, and a bit weird. Science slap, Tony Buzan, the mind map king. Prove visuals boost memory by 55%. So unless you're a calculator, stop treating your notes like a balance sheet. It's like turning chaos into art that sticks. Your brain is a visual gossip queen. It craves colors, images, and wild links. Mind maps turn facts into a Netflix documentary starring you. Example, Central, Solar System. Planets gas giants, Jupiter's 79 moons. Fun facts, space smells like burnt steak. Conspiracies, NASA's secret pizza planet. See, even black holes are more fun with doodles. Pro tip, if your mind map doesn't look like a child's fridge art, you're doing it wrong. Your future self will high-five you for this. Pro tip, study your hardest topic right before bed. Your brain treats it like a Netflix binge and prioritizes it. Ready to sleep like a genius? Bedtime cheat sheet. 1. 90-minute rule. Sleep in 90-minute cycles. 6 hours, 7.5 hours, 9 hours. Wake up between cycles, not during. 2. Pre-bed buffet. Review notes, then no screens. Blue light is brain's arch nemesis. 3. Pro nap. 20 minutes for a quick boost, 60 minutes for a full refresh. Fun fact, even penguins choose sleep over iceberg drama. Don't let a penguin outsleep you. Last time, we turned your pillow into a genius machine. Now, what if your notes are boring your brain to death? Time to ditch robotic bullet points and draw your thoughts like a sugar-fueled toddler. Welcome to tip number 5, mind mapping, where chaos becomes clarity and your brain throws a confetti party. I'll pull an all-nighter. Famous last words. Without sleep, your brain is a toddler denied candy, moody, messy, and useless. Harvard found that sleep deprivation cuts recall by 40%, which explains why you forgot your own name after that 3 a.m. cram. Science slap, sleep isn't lazy, it's brain housekeeping. Picture your brain as a library that needs to sort facts on shelves. No sleep, the library burns down. Trust me, your brain will thank you in the morning. While you snooze, your brain throws a neural block party. REM sleep, replays what you learned, like your own TikTok highlight reel. Deep sleep glues facts into long-term memory. Example, day U, how do mitochondria work again? Night U, brain goes, mitochondria equals cell snack bar. Burgers equals energy. Fries equals ADP. Ready to be a kindergarten professor? Cheat sheet. 1. Choose your student, a dog, a teddy bear, or your skeptical coffee mug. 2. Explain aloud. Use simple words and silly analogies. DNA is like a Lego manual for your body. 3. Spot the gaps. If you trip over an idea, you found a weak spot, go learn it again. 4. Repeat until grandma nods. If she says, bless your heart, try again. You'll feel like a tiny professor commanding the room. Pro tip, record yourself teaching, then watch while eating cereal. You'll catch mistakes and be TikTok ready. Last time, you became a teddy bear professor. Now imagine the real shortcut to genius isn't coffee, it's sleep. Yes, your pillow is a brain glue factory. Welcome to tip number 4, sleep, the ultimate cheat code for turning late night cram sessions into I actually remember this moments.